In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wix sitemap and submit it on Google. This process is invaluable for enhancing your site's visibility on search engines, and by the end of this guide, you'll have armed yourself with the knowledge to ensure Google knows about all the content your site has to offer. Let's begin by navigating to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic starts. If you're already logged into your Wix account, you can access your site directly from the dashboard. It's crucial to make sure that all changes and updates you wish to include in your sitemap are published, so go ahead and click on the Publish button. This ensures that Google can see your most current content. Once your site is published, you'll need the URL of your site. Select and copy your site's URL, which you'll find at the top of your browser. This is a key piece of information that we'll soon modify and use in Google Search Console. Next, open a new tab and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Google Search Console Tools and press Enter. The top search results will generally lead you to what you need. Among these results, find the Google Search Console link and click on it. This tool is essential for submitting your sitemap to Google, allowing it to understand the structure of your site better and index its pages effectively. If you haven't signed in yet, click on the Start Now button to proceed. You'll need to log into your Google account associated with your website. Once inside, take your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Sitemaps. Here is where you'll be submitting your sitemap URL. Now it's time to take the URL you copied earlier, and we're going to make a minor modification to it. In the field to add a new sitemap, type the URL followed by sitemap.xml. This extension directly signals to Google that you're referring to your site's sitemap file. After you've typed in the correct URL, you're ready for the final step. Click the Submit button. This action sends your sitemap to Google, and you'll see a confirmation message once it's been indexed. Successfully completing this process is an essential step in enhancing your site's SEO and ensuring that search engines can easily find and index all of your website's pages. Remember, having a well-submitted sitemap doesn't guarantee immediate changes in ranking, but it's a cornerstone in strengthening your overall SEO strategy. Make this a regular practice whenever you add significant updates to keep things current. And there you have it, your homemade guide to submitting your Wix sitemap to Google. Enjoy increased visibility and all the potential traffic it brings.